It's a recipe for dried pollack soup. Here's a video script for making Korean dried pollack soup, known as bukaeogik. This is a soothing and nutritious Korean soup that's perfect for any time of the year. Let's get started. Introduction. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to learn how to make a classic Korean soup, bukaeogik, which is dried pollack soup. It's a soothing and nutritious dish that's enjoyed all year round. Let's dive into the recipe and learn how to make it at home. Ingredients. Before we begin, let's take a look at the ingredients you'll need. 4 to 5 pieces of dried pollack, about 3 ounces, 8 cups of water, 1 small onion, thinly sliced, 12 carrot, sliced into thin rounds, 2 to 3 cloves of garlic, minced, 1 green chili pepper, sliced, optional, for a little kick, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce adjust to taste, salt and black pepper to taste, chopped green onions for garnish, optional. Cooking steps. Step 1. Rehydrate the dried pollack. Start by rehydrating the dried pollack. Place the dried pollack in a large bowl and cover it with cold water. Let it soak for about 30 minutes to rehydrate. After that, drain and rinse it. Step 2. Prepare the broth. In a large pot, add 8 cups of water. Place the rehydrated dried pollack into the pot and bring it to a boil. Once it's boiling, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. This will create a flavorful broth. Step 3. Add vegetables. After simmering, add the thinly sliced onions, carrot rounds, minced garlic, and optional green chili pepper to the pot. Let them cook in the broth until the vegetables become tender, usually for about 10 to 15 minutes. Step 4. Season the soup. Now, season the soup with fish sauce, sesame oil, salt, and black pepper. Adjust the seasonings to your taste. The sesame oil adds a wonderful nutty flavor, and the fish sauce provides a deep umami. Step 5. Serve. Your bukaeogik is now ready to be served. Ladle the soup into bowls, making sure each bowl has a good portion of rehydrated dried pollack, vegetables, and the flavorful broth. Conclusion. And there you have it, a bowl of bukaeogik, a comforting and nutritious dried pollack soup that's enjoyed by many in Korea. We hope you enjoy making and savoring this wonderful Korean soup at home. That wraps up our video on making Korean dried pollack soup. Thank you for watching, and happy cooking!